Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and today we're going to be talking about what is the Foxy Dance. So let's get into it.
Foxy is one of the most popular wedding dances that goes great to most slow music. So it goes in 4/4 timing, and the best part about it is that the beat is consistent the entire time. You just count 1, 2, 3, 4 over and over and over again. There's no slows and quicks and variations of the rhythm, which makes it very easy to learn and great for beginners.
Yeah, so this is probably our most popular wedding dance, as he said. It's a combination of walking and swaying. So two things that we've all done in our everyday lives. So it's pretty easy and natural looking. It's very romantic, ability to move around the floor and stay on the spot. So it's great for all kinds of wedding dances, and it kind of can fit your need, whatever you're looking for. We do have a whole selection of Foxy on our website. It's definitely our most popular wedding dance. So go ahead and check it out. I always leave it in the description box below. And you can kind of see it for yourselves and see if it's a good fit for you. If you ever have a question of whether or not your dance is a Foxy or maybe a different style, just comment down below and we'll always answer for you and let you know what style of dance will work best. Okay, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye.
Bye.